In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get Marokai in Stick War 3. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will find Marokai under the Generals tab. So if you go over to your decks, you will be able to select Generals, and he should be available here. So you can slot him into your team or your deck and use this general. Now, they actually changed how generals work. If you head over into the shop and you go all the way to the left, you will see this option, Unlock Generals, and if you tap View, you can see the current rotation. So basically, every week, a specific general will leave the rotation and another one will be available. So in this example, Marokai is currently available for free this week, and in 6 days it is going to be rotated out. So it's going to be unavailable, and King Zarek will take its place. So King Zarek rotates in 6 days. So all that you have to do is wait until Marokai is available for free in a specific week and you will be able to use him. Alternatively, if you want to have him available for you to use always, then tap on Marokai and you will have to purchase him using your currency. So this will redirect you into the Play Store or the App Store, depending on if you are on Android or iOS, where you can spend the necessary amount of money to purchase General Marokai. If you purchase him, then you don't have to wait until he is free in the week. You will have access to Marokai right away, and you can use him at any time in any deck. But if you don't want to spend real-life money, then you simply have to wait until he becomes free for the week. And once he does, you will be able to go back into your decks, generals, and find him here. So tap on him, slot him into your team, and you will be good to go to use General Marokai. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing because as you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.